Hello guys, little update regarding my setup. I use Arch Linux and i3 Window Manager on my home system, and my muscle memory is tuned for using my hotkeys. So I had a little difficulty in progressing through the OSCP course, as Kali Linux was the most suitable for the word lists and the configurations that the course is set up for. So I thought of using a virtual machine using QEMU, but I realized that consumes a lot of space and utilizes more CPU. So I thought of using a Kali Docker image to mitigate this issue. So I downloaded the Docker image from Kali Linux and ran the image. Once it is done, we need to check the containers list to find the new instance ID. Now to make this persistent, we need to attach the Docker instance. Once it is done, let's update the repo and install the packages. It takes some time, so let me speed run it for you. Now all the packages are installed. Let's check whether we are able to connect to the lab virtual machine using ping command. And we can see there is no data loss, so it is successful, and I am able to connect to the virtual machine and able to complete the labs using just Docker, and the CPU utilization is less, and I am just using Arch Linux. So that's it for today's update. See you in the next one. Thanks.